Uh, Hello YouTube, this is Rocco Jago, and I am reacting to the episode of Wile Coyote vs. Tomcat. And I know who's going to win this one. This is a iffy fight, because we got both both Toon characters. Anyways, I'm rooting for both of them, but my bet is on Tom. Okay, let's go. Look at this step outside. Oh, so this is how it went. How it started out first. In the teaser or trailer. So, got mouth. That's my cat. Mouth trap. Gray Warner. Coyote. Fight. You finished, but you got something else. Yeah. What comes around goes around. Wait, was that the imposter in Among Us?
Come on, you apes! You wanna live forever!
And the whole house just become battlefield. Literally. The invincible potion. Fat lady. Huh. Of course. How did that even happen? And Cat and Tom only lost all his lives. Well, 8 of them. High speed tonic. And they are on the run. Yeah, he gets outplayed a lot. What? Goomba with his hot dog. Wait. Goomba with hot dog? Yeah, Tom knows it now. Yeah. We both got hit by it. Take this. And this. And some this. Oh, how about you? See how you like it. There go your last life. Damn, but let's actually see him this time.
Wile E. Coyote, super genius.
That's all, folks. I'm glad they didn't make it a tie this time. It would have been annoying.
Thank God one of them actually died this time. I mean, no! Animal cruelty, no!
Considering coyotes eat cats, I'm not surprised.
While both Cat
Yeah.
and Coyote were incredibly powerful, they weren't literal gods who could snap their problems away. They had limitations and weaknesses that could be exploited, especially by each other. Let's first talk their stats.
Both were strong enough to contend with universe-threatening phenomena, but comparing Wile to Plucky Duck, Looney Tunes can not only destroy their own universe, but their animators as well.
And while Tom could
Yep.
move faster than light, Wile could keep up with the Roadrunner, who could outspeed a car fast enough to travel through time. That's immeasurably fast, and much faster than Tom. Wile gets the edge in stats.
Wile's arsenal was a bit better too, believe it or not. Even eliminating the devices that have been shown to malfunction, he still countered everything Tom had.
The biggest being the Looney DNA Dissolver, which could render Tom's cartoony healing factor moot and end the fight.
While Tom has never been shown to have Looney DNA specifically, the concept clearly has nothing to do with actual DNA molecules.
Looney Tunes have been erased completely and still returned, so it's clearly something more fundamental to their essence.
And since the Dissolver works on any tunes, not just the Looney ones, it should apply to Tom. But considering how much of a screw-up Wile is, it wasn't a sure bet. Hell, it could have backfired, especially considering how much more competent Tom is.
When it came to intelligence, Wile's engineering and scheming genius were often defeated by his own ego and stubbornness. Tom, on the other hand, was consistently more flexible, pragmatic, and victorious in his fights. He definitely gets the edge there.
Oh, and Tom has one other big advantage. He doesn't have God nerfing him.
And that big question. Was Tom capable enough to benefit from Wile's narrative-enforced bad luck and see the DNA Dissolver backfire against him?
That bad luck is a core part of Wile's character as a cartoon. So let's call it his, toonliness.
To find the answer, we dug deep through the bowels of Looney Tunes lore and ended up in an unexpected place. Space Jam.
Where Wile yet again fails against the Roadrunner, but against the villains of the movie, the Monstars, he actually scores.
And scores again in the sequel.
For some reason, all this stuff you can work on other characters, but not on the Warner.
Right?
Throughout his entire history, Wile's cosmically ordained failures only occur when he's specifically chasing the Roadrunner, or other tunes the plot bends around like bugs, because that's what Chuck Jones's rules were written for, Coyote and Roadrunner cartoons.
And even then, looking closely, they've been broken a few times throughout the decades, even during Chuck Jones's tenure.
Without the universe nerfing him, there's no reason to think Wile couldn't eventually land a hit with the Looney DNA Dissolver.
Especially when the only reason it failed was because of the Roadrunner's intervention, a direct violation of Chuck Jones's limitations on the Coyote.
And especially when it's the only thing that either one had that could kill the other.
Despite lacking Wile's narrative impediments, and despite having a better track record overall, Tom ultimately had no surefire way to kill Wile, whereas Wile's superior strength, speed, and looting arsenal ensured his victory.
Wile gave one hell of a chase and left Tom Jones in for a rematch.
The winner is Wile Coyote.
Next time on...
Now, who's the next one? Spider-Man.
Subscribe and
Spider-Man for the decade.
see more Death Battle. Thanks for watching.
So we got Mom Nass versus a Super Magnolia. My bet is on Deku. Cause what is okay, here's the thing. Well, I might be overthinking because I never read the Marvel comics or Miles or play the game. Well, I've seen a few play the game, but what is Miles really going to do against Deku? I mean, we all see what. Yeah, I think Deku going to win because he actually destroyed a floating fortress that's about nearly the whole size of a whole city. So I could be wrong. Anyway, that's it for me of my reaction. Peace out.